hit with the 50% tariffs.
हाँ
Because उनका trade deficit कुछ 98% है with the US.
हाँ
Because the US imports knitwear. It's a country within South Africa.
ओह ओके
It's an enclave.
अच्छा इनक्लेव है हाँ
It's an enclave within
हाँ,
South Africa.
हाँ.
Anyways, we are live.
हाँ.
But so Lesotho is the country. 50% tariffs. And the economy is. But anyways, guys, good afternoon. Thank you for joining.
Good afternoon है
Good weekend.
I hope you had a good weekend but we
Yeah,
got a good
because-
week
Yeah.
hmm.
Not
So
good. Not good.
4.5%. I thought we
Sir
had
is out of words actually. 4.5% down.
यार देखो we were telling
पहले
people
लग-
right कि stay cautious
हाँ
है ना stay cautious because there was uncertainty and there certainly you know so I, okay let me just try and break it down a
हाँ,
little bit
हाँ.
हाँ दो चीज़ें technically below 22,000 right now it tried to recover a bit of thing in the morning but वो STBD trades cover हो रहे थे तो वो हो गया now below 22,000 a distinct possibility very weak technically so that's part one but part two fundamentally now think of this guys unless deals get reached but as of now as things because things are very fluid that there are tariffs there is a first order impact India 2% second order impact a lot more can happen now if China which used to export to the US now can't export those goods will dump in other countries other countries raise trade barriers right tariffs etc therefore unintended tariff war so in effect it could actually become a global tariff war starting only between principally US and other countries but across the board and the most important thing is the uncertainty which is what we were talking on Friday as well that in such uncertain times forget what will happen to earnings or GDP. Your multiples can get compressed. We are having this debate in the newsroom that Nifty trades at 18 times, fine. Why should it trade only at 18 times? It can trade at 17, 16,
16.
15 for all you know
Yeah.
in these times because a lot of other countries will also go down.
True.
So therefore, the only in a way, a weird sadistic sort of a way, the only positive thing to happen out of this is he was talking about 2 or 3 countries as being the ones in focus because of AI, DeepSeek, etc. Right? DeepSeek promised to be the biggest word of 2025. Tariffs have taken over. Everybody's on the same plane now.
No, but you know, there's one more thing which we are forgetting, and that's how countries are going to react. One way is to do a counter tariff. The
बहुत नहीं करेंगे.
बहुत लोग करेंगे, बहुत लोग नहीं करेंगे. जैसे चाइना
You and China.
यू एंड चाइना करेंगे. ठीक
Asia
है.
said they will not.
हाँ, एशिया में भी मलेशिया is saying that they may. So they may lead the response or
But
something.
Australia is not.
Australia is not.
Japan is not. Vietnam is
Yes,
not.
but-
India is not.
हाँ, but look at from a point of view of a global currency point of view, right? Many of the countries who are today saying that they will not be responding to tariff, they will allow their currency to depreciate, and that is where you know the trade war will escalate because it becomes who is more competitive in this global trade. Simple as that. If you're not going to respond to them on a tariff, then you will have to take countermeasures for your domestic economy, and one of them is going to be currency, which is there. China has started doing it.
No.
They pegged little lower today.
Slightly lower. Some
Slightly lower.
tolerance.
But the point is that they do it on a very gradual way, and they have a more very fixed kind of thing. It's not like our currency which went down by 51 paisa today. Simple as that. So that is something which is going to happen, and उसका repercussion हमको उतना we are not factoring in that repercussion.
Impossible to predict. But I'll just tell you one quick word. So Harsh had asked this question to Neelkanth Mishra. He said there is possibility that China eventually will have to do it. Sonal Verma today was of the opinion that their base case is that China will not be able to do it even if it wants to because it is fighting multiple things including investor confidence at back home and flight of capital which it doesn't want. मुश्किल से पैसा आ रहा था, right? Neelkanth laid out a point over 10 years the quantum of flight of capital that has happened from China. They've seen 3 months of good inflows. They don't want this to get disrupted. So Sonal Verma's view is, and she's the Asia economist for Nomura, she's saying that she doesn't believe that China will be able to do a sharp depreciation. Small slight can happen, but it will not be a
large
proper.
one.
And Ray Dalio is saying that there will be a negotiated depreciation of the yuan in order to combat tariffs. It will
That's
not
true.
be a
I think
dramatic
Ray
one.
Dalio had put out a good video also, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, principles.
It talks about
Part
how
of
various
what he does.
big economies have moved over cycles and where US and China is there.
Yeah, very
But,
interesting one.
Nomura's video, I think our producers will put, so you can have a look at it. But 50 likes.
50 likes. And by the way, even the Neelkanth Mishra interview, people should
yeah,
put up.
Neelkanth Mishra also, but
We should drop that interview.
Yeah,
Sorry, huh?
but I think the key question that should be on investors' mind is there are certain things which US has a capacity to manufacture, and each country will have that kind of its set of goods. But because US is in the eye of the storm, and therefore I'm zeroing down on US, it'll have some things which will get manufactured, but there will be a lot of things which US does not manufacture at all. It'll have to source from outside. Two things, therefore, could likely be the outcome. One is that these tariffs will continue to get levied. If these tariffs continue to get levied, two outcomes. One is that the US consumer bears this, in which case there's a slowdown in the US, very, very likely and very, very sharp. Second is that the companies exporting these products bear it, and therefore take a huge margin hit of 20-25%, right? Which looks unlikely, but possibly as something like maybe for a few months they may be willing to do that just to ensure that business remains as is. Either way, this is not sustainable. And there are a large bunch of goods which US doesn't manufacture and has no manufacturing capacity for this.
And
therefore, is it even realistic? Is what I'm trying to say.
What?
To expect that
That the US will
कि
manufacture
इतना-
everything.
correct,
No, वो नहीं होने वाला.
कि इतना गंदा होने वाला है कि
नहीं.
from a perspective that
It is not about that. It is about the fact that US is running into a 1.2 or 1.3 trillion dollar trade deficit with globally, right? They want a bigger pie of your market. Simple as that. Means when our market means India, maybe Taiwan or something. They want a bigger pie of that so that the deficit comes down. There is even Trump knows that not every company will now start manufacturing in the US. Simple as
Correct.
that. It will be the other way around.
लेबर कहाँ से मिलेगा?
लेबर कहाँ से मिलेगा? वही
Correct.
एफिशिएंसी जो आना चाहिए ना, मतलब आपका वहाँ पर वेज रेट ही बहुत हाई है, राइट?
Correct.
Now look at the example of India and US trade deficit, $45 billion. That's a trade deficit between India and we were looking at me and Chinmay were looking at the number of net exemptions which we have on a net basis. $20 billion worth of goods are under the net exemption. So means we have to manage only $25 billion of trade deficit. What trade deficit can be managed easily, which government is, that's why the Indian government is very cool about it. Let me put it this way, in this mayhem when we have lost around $130 billion in market value,
Correct.
the government is keeping patient because they are doing a negotiation because उनको $25 billion को मैनेज करना है. वो $25 billion जो है वो आपके ऑयल से आ सकता है, आपके मिलिट्री हार्डवेयर से आ सकता है for a period of time, and that's what they are trying to do that. So what happens to the Indian trade, right? There's a big reset going to happen. A premium which was given to global company with a global footprint will now shift to a company with a domestic footprint and heavy dependence on domestic. Therefore, and I'm being bullish here, huh? I'm trying to tell you this much. I'm trying to say
yeah,
that,
I mean it's so clear.
भाई आप फ्राइडे को भी बुलिश थे, मैं बेरिश था.
हाँ, मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि we have 4 things which are coming into play here. Simple as that.
आप कौन सी देश के लिए बोल रहे हो?
अपने देश के लिए
अच्छा,
बोल रहे
भारत
हैं.
के लिए.
हम अपने भारत के लिए बोल रहे हैं. रिपब्लिक ऑफ भारत.
चलो, and then we have to take questions.
So 4 things which are coming into play here, right? You have reviving consumption which some bit हो रहा है, though you have inflation which is moderating, you have external crude which is coming down.
Correct.
And then you have interest rate possibly which on 9th when the RBI meets
Will
there
likely
is-
come down.
the chances are much higher now.
100%.
100%. And it's not going to be 25, maybe 50 हो सकता है. मतलब
वो पता
नहीं. मतलब you know these 4 things are coming into play here.
Correct.
And over and above that you have a capex cycle, and I was seeing the CMI numbers. क्या नंबर आए हैं Q4 के? 18 trillion rupees worth of capex announcement in Q4.
I think mainly March.
Mainly-
11 month number wasn't strong.
नहीं, I'm talking Q4 only, Jan Feb March की बात कर रहा
हाँ,
हूँ
तो
मैं।
मार्च में बहुत
में
तोड़ हुआ है।
बहुत आया है और 70% ऑफ दैट इज फ्रॉम प्राइवेट कंपनीज इफ यू लुक एट इट। सो वो नंबर्स जो हैं इस एंड दिस आर अनाउंसमेंट, दो एग्जीक्यूशन सीएमआई आल्सो सेइंग दैट देयर इज अ डिले इन एग्जीक्यूशन, बट अनाउंसमेंट तो आए हैं एंड उसका अगर
ये कब आया सजीत सर?
ये ओवर द वीकेंड आया।
हाँ, over the weekend
आई
आया।
वाज लुकिंग एट एन एमके नोट, उसमें मेंशन
उसमें ही दिया है।
उसमें दिया था
Very
ये।
nice.
तो वो था।
आप
तो
क्लोजिंग शो पे आके एक छोटा सा लिंक करेंगे हमारे लिए?
पर हम यहाँ पर कर रहे हैं ना।
हाँ, यहाँ पे तो कर ही रहे, क्लोजिंग पे भी आएंगे आप?
तो हम बात करते हैं उसके बारे में, बट
तो-
these are some things which
so-
are moving the
There are
I think
positives,
point-
there are
yeah,
negatives,
no,
but I
but
think
sir,
the uncertainty.
that's what even I'm alluding to. Okay, how long can this get pulled for? Very unlikely. What Sajid sir
Why
is saying
not?
from an India macro perspective, you are better off.
Yeah.
In which case, this reaction warranted is what I'm trying
No,
to.
So
no,
I'm
no.
saying this
I'm
4%
sorry,
reaction, this 4%
it is
reaction,
warranted.
see,
It is
for-
warranted.
From my point of view, this 4% reaction is a muted one
I agree.
compared to global.
I
Asia,
agree.
what is happening in Asia?
तो आप
साथ-
फ्राइडे को बुलिश क्यों थे?
अभी भी बुलिश में।
तो बुलिश क्यों था?
वो-
अगर
मैं तो म्यूटेड
वही
कह रहा हूँ,
बोल रहे हैं
ये
वो
म्यूटेड
कि-
है, मतलब ये कम है, गिरा है
तो
इंडियन
वही तो बोल रहा
मार्केट।
हूँ, तो अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि मार्केट गिरने वाला था, आप बुलिश क्यों हैं?
क्योंकि ये अपॉर्चुनिटी है लोगों को घुसने के लिए।
और
और
मैं एक
consumption-
बात बताऊं, इतनी अनसर्टेनिटी है, there is
देखो,
you don't have to
uncertainty-
buy at 20, you don't, I'm just saying my limited view, why do you want to buy at 21,000?
Because you might not get that opportunity.
You
Once people start realizing what
यार,
Sajid sir is saying, you may
boss,
not get
मैं
that
यही बोल रहा हूँ कि
opportunity.
टाटा मोटर्स डाउन 54%, ट्रेंड
Tata-
डाउन 35%।
भाई
मतलब
टाटा मोटर्स was down 35%, people were saying 35% गिरी और कितना गिरेगा, 50 हो गया।
अब 50
मैं
हो
बोल रहा
गया।
हूँ, let the trend reverse, there is no rush.
वो ट्रेंड रिवर्स होने में एक दिन लगता है, 5%
Yeah,
भाग
let it
जाएगा.
be.
हाँ.
Buy 5% higher. You can buy 23,000
That's
when there
another
is some
view.
certainty.
That's another
Because
view.
right now, what is to say that, by the way, me and Sajid did the math. At 20,000, the Nifty is at 16.8 times. 16 times.
FY
27.
27.
At 20,000. मैं बोल नहीं ना उस 26-20,000 जाएगा. I'm just saying right now when there is uncertainty, you don't want to go out and fish.
No,
Just sit on the sidelines.
I get your point
Wait.
about the Nifty valuation part of it, but I'm saying that go beyond the Nifty because Nifty is talking about just 50 stocks.
जब बियॉन्ड द निफ्टी जाओ भाई, लेकिन मैं बोल रहा हूँ अगर निफ्टी अगर 4% गिर रहा है, मिड कैप स्मॉल कैप्स विल नॉट
आज की डेट में सबसे ज्यादा कौन से ग्रुप के स्टॉक्स गिरे हैं? टाटा ग्रुप के
टाटा ग्रुप के
1.6 लाख करोड़ का गया, एंड व्हाई इज इट? बिकॉज इट हैज अ मैक्सिमम एक्सपोजर टू ओवरसीज, नॉट यूएस, ओवरसीज।
टाटा स्टील, टीसीएस, टाटा मोटर्स, टाटा
US, yeah,
केमिकल्स,
52% of Tata TCS is US, and 25% of Tata Motors is maybe okay. 20% of Tata Motors is US.
टिस्को ले लो, ग्लोबल
किसको
है,
लेगा?
टाटा केमिकल्स ग्लोबल है.
ग्लोबल है, सब है ना, तो इसलिए वो ग्रुप सबसे ज्यादा हिट हुआ है आज के डेट में। बट पॉइंट इज रिलायंस का बाय द वे $36 बिलियन का एक्सपोर्ट था इन FY24। $36 बिलियन का एक्सपोर्ट, 2.99 लाख करोड़, एंड आई एम टॉकिंग पिकिंग अप द फिगर फ्रॉम द एनुअल रिपोर्ट। आई वांटेड टू सी कि भाई एग्जैक्ट नंबर कितने थे। 36 बिलियन, एंड दैट्स व्हाई रिलायंस इज डाउन बिकॉज इट्स गोइंग टू बी हिट. It was already facing a slowdown in terms of polyester and polyethylene market globally. अभी और थोड़ा बहुत और आएगा uncertainty उसके लिए. So it's not unusual for a company which is. That's why I'm saying the reset is going to come into domestic
Perfect.
companies.
Now I'm resetting this conversation with a word of appreciation. He and Iz is saying, hello favorite people, hope you guys are doing well. Mahesh is saying, very nice program. Kudos. Thank you so much for
Mahesh.
that.
Thank you, guys.
Let's talk about specifics, right? So before we get to Yatin Mahajan's and Sai Keshu and Srikar's questions, the 2 or 3 names, Trent, 16% lower today, right? And
With on the back of a 28% jump.
but 28% is a big moderation from the 37%
50%.
in
आदत
Q3.
बिगाड़ दी है ना कंपनी ने.
इसलिए इतना वैल्यूएशन है
हाँ.
सर. FY26 पे 8.5 टाइम्स प्राइस टू सेल्स है.
हाँ.
प्राइस टू सेल्स 8.5 टाइम्स बिफोर द फॉल. बाय द वे,
हाँ, but
बिफोर द फॉल.
ना फॉल
But sir,
बिफोर
कौन सी
फ्राइडे
company-
फॉल और अभी का
कौन
फॉल
सी रिटेल कंपनी 28% पे ग्रो हो रही है
ऑन दैट बेस आल्सो.
on that base?
But that's why it is valued the way it is.
ये एग्जैक्टली.
So you can argue,
So-
you can always throw back an Avenue Supermarts and me and tell me कि अरे Avenue is also way. But Avenue Supermarts is a different kettle of fish.
एवेन्यू से ज्यादा ही ये लिक्विड है, इतना मैं बोल देता हूँ.
भाई मैं बोल रहा हूँ आप कितना भी मंदी करो एवेन्यू सुपरमार्ट्स में, वो स्टॉक को जैसे चलना है वैसे ही चलेगा. सो लीव दैट आउट. नाउ देयर इज रिटेल में देयर इज एन एवेन्यू सुपर इन एक्स एक्स जापान होता है ना, वैसा एक्स एवेन्यू करो, और एक्स एवेन्यू में 8.5 टाइम्स पे ट्रेड कर रहा था, लोअर देन एक्सपेक्टेड ग्रोथ आई है, 3-4% बिलो एस्टिमेट, सच अ रिएक्शन ऑन
अभी
अ
7
बैड
टाइम्स
डे
हो
इज
गया,
वारंटेड.
अभी 7 टाइम्स हो गया.
Again, could bounce back, but could well go to 5.
I don't know यार, मतलब
5 time price to sales is not exactly cheap.
it is not cheap, but it's for a company like Trent, it's I think it's a decent valuation to get, right?
देखो मुझे वो नहीं
अब
पता है,
तुम-
मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ अच्छी बात है, 12,000 रुपए महीने में आ रहे हैं, Zudio will benefit tremendously, Westside will benefit tremendously.
Yes.
All of that will happen. But boss, Q4 में इश्यू है, कॉन कॉल आएगा, कॉन कॉल में वो क्या बोल रहे हैं आगे चल के हुए कॉन कॉल या जो भी, उसमें पता चले मुझे रहे. तो एक पॉइंट वो है ट्रेंड पे, डिफिकल्ट है.
Cheapest valuation on Trent since March of 2020 and even before that, in fact.
Bifor that तो रहेगा, because before that trend didn't have the kind of valuation that it had in the later years.
Cheapest valuation. सबसे सस्ता.
Anyways, next is Tata Motors. बोलो guys.
हाँ भाई, मैं तो बोल के थक गया हूँ.
क्यों उठाओ?
किसके पास है टाटा की गाड़ी? आपके पास है?
आपके पास है? नहीं,
मेरे पास
मेरे नहीं.
आपके पास है?
नहीं, मेरे पास भी नहीं.
मेरे पास किया है, आपके पास मारुति है.
मेरे पास गाड़ी नहीं है, फिर मैं बस में आता
अब jokes.
हूँ. चलिए.
मैं ओवर में जाता हूँ. By that logic.
Neeraj sir only buys German make.
German
But
टाटा मोटर्स.
No, but seriously, 54% down from the top, and I think today's reaction is little more because they have JLR has paused sales to the US, and I think pass on हो जाएगा ये. It's a small thing for me from my point of view, because they are just assessing what is the kind of impact that they will have to face, and what is the kind of
I agree.
and there would be, I'm sure,
I think eventually they'll reboot it.
Reboot होगा, थोड़ा बहुत reboot होगा eventually, and it's going to be, I find that it's going to be better off in that sense, unless EU comes and puts a reciprocal tariff.
Dude, autos are caught in the eye of a storm. Look at Bharat Forge also. It's 940 today. ये भी मोटा मोटी 30-40% गिरी है.
Yes.
So Tata Motors is not the only.
No,
Tata
no,
Motors
not
is
at
not
all.
the only
Lone
one.
wolf.
No, anyone who has a overseas exposure is
No, but autos particularly.
particular.
A lot of things have fallen.
True. And that's why domestic जो नया reset हो रहा है, if you see today or maybe over a period of last 4 or 5 days, there is a delivery based buying which is happening on companies where you have some kind of domestic exposure is
बहुत
more.
तेजी में है हर्ष सजीत. Buying की बातें कर रहे हैं.
मैं वही बोला आपको, 48% down
What
is
is?
Bharat Forge
Forge,
from the
yeah.
वो भी गिरा है
50.
फिर. तो आप बोल रहे हो टाटा मोटर्स इतना गिर गया, भारत फोर्ज भी गिरा है.
बिल्कुल गिरा है.
हर्ष आज कोई पॉजिटिव नोट्स थे टाटा मोटर्स पे?
बिल्कुल नहीं थे.
नहीं थे.
पर एक नोट आया था अभी मैंने जो पढ़ा, उसमें ये था कि रेवलीमेड की सेल्स बहुत अच्छे थे, कि वो लास्ट मार्च में, which is good for some of the pharma companies at least.
But यार falling off the cliff है Revlimid at some
No,
point
it
of
has
time in the
improved. That's
future.
what they said. Okay.
No, it will. But नहीं, falling off the cliff because it will
Sales
expire,
से-
no?
हाँ, हो रहा है.
No, Revlimid will go away. The patent goes away and everybody will have to.
few more months to go, but ठीक
6 महीने हैं और tops.
हाँ, तो वो है. But फार्मा में क्या लगता है आपको? फार्मा का तो अभी भी है.
We spoke to Abil Gorakewala today.
हाँ,
Abil
what
By the
did
way,
he say?
He's saying he doesn't have too much exposure. So two interesting things. He said one that it's not difficult to create these supply chains, but he's not an interested party, and yet he said that. Two, he said that you will see a lot of Indian US generic exposed firms diversifying out of US. They will see that no, we don't want this 40-50% exposure to one country, because now the die is cast. Trump has done it, somebody else could do it 4 years down the line. Aggravate this, that. So people will want to diversify. Is what Abil Gorakewala, pharma entrepreneur, saying that other companies will do this.
So means you are saying the OEM.
He's shutting down his US generic business, by the way. Abil Gorakewala. 5% hai, he's shutting it down.
मतलब
He said this on it.
So shutting down means he is not going to supply anymore to the US.
So ऐसा ही कुछ होगा.
And then people are diversifying supply chains
So
by the
which
way, in a big fashion,
so-
especially to the UAE. Only 10% tariff there. So
By the way,
I have
a lot
spoken
of
to a
pharma
couple
com-
of people over the weekend, and they were telling me
So
that
yeah, so there is
It's-
certain,
there is some tentativeness कि ये करेंगे, क्योंकि क्या है, वो सेटअप हो गया उसके बाद if Trump repeals everything again you have to unwind everything. भाई पूरा structure settle
No,
कर
but
दिया सब.
वियतनाम कंबोडिया
So
वियतनाम कंबोडिया
correct.
सेम थिंग.
Correct.
बट ये देखो ना यूएई में यू हैव रसल खाइमा which is the industrial zone which is there और वहाँ पर काफ़ी इंडियन फार्मा कंपनीज के ऑलरेडी सेटअप हैं. ऐसी बात नहीं है. So there is a lot of exposure which is there in UAE. Maybe they can scale it up from there and they do it. But
It's a great city to live in, and they know how to make infrastructure. So it's a good quality of life. Never mind.
UAE ना?
Yeah.
हाँ. बनाने वाले हम ही है ना उधर. वो भी है.
Oh yeah.
LNT तो बैठ के बनाता है उधर.
Yeah, तो बहुत है. But yeah, so this is it. So okay, let's take very good question. Very quick questions. Sai Keshu is saying was eagerly waiting for this show. Good time to create cash bucket from existing portfolio post drawdown. Sense of
फिर से बोलो.
ये time
यार
पे
साई यहाँ पे बेचना या थोड़ा आई डोंट नो फाइट है स्वैप कर सकते हो आप बट यहाँ पे कैश क्रिएट का देखो इट माइट वेल टर्न आउट टू बी ट्रू आई डोंट नो बट डिफिकल्ट कॉल टू
Very difficult call to make.
I'm sorry I wouldn't want to stick my neck out.
Yeah, and that's a big trade. If you make it, you have really good guts, buddy. I mean, it's tough
It
to
may well go down मतलब दिख रहा है कि निफ्टी शायद 21,000 भी चला जाए बट यहाँ पे कैश क्रिएट करना
After losing so much, are you in a profit? If you're in profit, then you may. But if you're not
No,
in,
doesn't matter.
Why?
No,
You book loss, set
Doesn't
it off
matter.
against future profits.
that doesn't matter.
हाँ, but these are retail investors यार मतलब इतने सॉवी इतना पोर्टफोलियो नहीं होता है उनका.
नहीं but है तो भी
You may
tough
lose
call
क्या-
है.
हाँ,
Tough
मतलब-
call.
Tough है कॉल लेना टफ है Shrikar is saying I'm strictly following index investing Nifty 50 next 50 bank Nifty 80% of investment are in ETFs and rest in stocks still holding 50% cash in savings account what's the best investment strategy
You've already done it.
best
Shrikar Reddy, you've already done it, boss.
keep now start an SIP
I
or
see.
I agree.
stock ETF है
No, I would think differently. Every 5% fall, you deploy 10% of your cash and start an SIP.
तो वही हो ना
Play
SIP
both.
no I'm
Play both.
but why हाँ you can
Lump
do that
sum
also.
plus SIP.
But he's into ETFs only ना.
हाँ.
हाँ.
तो lump
Instead
sum
of
डालो
timing
ना.
the market
हाँ.
आप कर दो
डाल दो.
सिस्टमैटिक ट्रांसफर प्लान करो
हाँ.
because this may stay ugly for a really long time you don't
Or
know.
it may
At
not,
least 6
and therefore lump
months.
sum. Or it may not.
So
and
why
therefore
do you
lump
want to
sum.
take why do you want to time the market
No, I'm not timing. I'm saying that I will put 10% of my cash with every 5% fall. कितना ही गिरने वाला है इधर से 20% गिरेगा तो
20% और यहाँ से
एक मिनट if I'm saying if don't get me wrong
और
I'm
मतलब
saying
16,000 की बात कर रहे हैं हम.
नहीं सर एक मिनट if it were to fall 20% for a Shrikar what is it right with every 10% fall right every 5% fall every 1,000 points shaved off he's going to add 10% of his cash into the portfolio right so say for example he's sitting on a 10 lakh rupee cash portfolio right with every 5% fall every 1,000 points the Nifty falls like today it fell 1,000 points blindly put 1 lakh rupees in as lump sum
Point. There's a. it's
अगर
a
20% गिरेगा तो then your 4 lakhs deployed 40% of your cash is deployed and then you're doing an SIP
can do that Shrikar or if that is difficult just follow a simple systematic investment plan because it may well happen that the markets go to 21,000 and stay at 21,000 for 3-6 months
Yes. The probability of that between 20 to 21, 22,000 is much more.
देखो अब brave Harsh will do what he is saying
हाँ.
right
हम सोचे वो है ना मतलब
मतलब
कंजर्वेटिव है तो
because it is uncertain
I believe it's going to reverse that's why I'm saying what I'm saying so I'm saying balance it out I'm saying do both
I have no belief
Doing a little
I
bit
just
of
feel
both.
that right now it is looking negative and it can
अब
stay this
बहुत
way.
ही ज्यादा बेरिश हो
हाँ,
गया
मतलब
ये
चल क्या रहा है
ये
यार?
क्या चल क्या रहा है
saying
ये
it as I see it.
सस्टेनेबल नहीं है सर ये सस्टेनेबल नहीं है for talk to the US
मतलब-
consumer it's not sustainable
Yeah, I mean he's talking too much to the US consumer it seems.
No.
कभी इंडियन वालों से भी बात करो यार.
So there was a chart given by one of the somebody, okay, I'm forgetting who, that the 80% of the US doesn't even invest in the stock markets. 80%. हम लोग बात करेंगे इंडिया पेनिट्रेशन
हम
लेवल
90 हम 97 की बात कर रहे हैं इंडिया में. वो
नहीं
करते
but
नहीं
sir
हैं,
I thought it
3%.
was 52% directly indirectly including mutual funds
apparently. So this just came in that इतना उन्होंने bifurcate करके दिया है. So maybe Trump
Please
doesn't
भेजो.
get too much. Yeah, I will
Please
send
भेजो,
you.
I will also try to
yes.
read up
So
on this stat.
who knows? All I'm saying is that my limited view is I don't think any of us would be right if we give a call with conviction or anybody can give a call with conviction because there is uncertainty right now.
Correct.
And therefore you just want to maybe play it safe. Maybe this strategy works. But yeah, then you should need to be prepared, Shrikar, for the consequences. If it doesn't rise, then you are okay with it. Doesn't rise as in प्राइस से तो बढ़ेगा, अभी नहीं तो एक साल में,
And you have to
but
wait.
टाइम से नहीं होएगा.
हाँ, you have
तो
to
just be
wait.
prepared for it.
एंड ये नहीं होगा कि एक हफ्ते 2 हफ्ते या 1 महीने. यू हैव टू वेट एंड बिकॉज दिस पेन इज गोइंग टू गो फॉर एटलीस्ट 3 to 6 months.
Yeah, मेरे लिए टाइम करना हमेशा डिफिकल्ट है, तो अपने लिए वो
3 से
SIP
6
हमेशा चलता
ये
है.
जो टैरिफ अनसर्टेनिटी है वो अगले 6 महीने तो रहने वाली है किसी मींस
That's true.
तो वो तब तक तो वो ऐसा ही है.
Next.
मदन हेगड़े with the tariff hitting the world, how does Indian EMS space look like for mid to long term? वो बहुत अनसर्टन है भाई. अभी आपके हमारे सारे एप्पल मोबाइल वगैरह सब बेकार, मतलब वो उसमें सब इतने सारे टैक्सेस आ गए हैं. यू नो, आई रेड ओवर द वीकेंड आर्टिकल दैट हाउ एप्पल शिप्ड ऑल इट्स इन्वेंट्री बिफोर March 31st to the US. Simple.
From India as well.
From India.
They would have done it from elsewhere too then.
Yes, चाइना से तो किया होगा मेरे ख्याल से, पर इंडिया से तो किया ही है उन्होंने. 10% of the production happens in India.
So I don't know if you guys read this report. Any case, yeah, but continue.
So
But-
I think EMS is going to get impacted, right? Means if they are doing it for any of the US makers, like an Apple or something, then it would be.
But I think a large part of their sales is India based, right? Or am I wrong
right?
there?
Is it?
What? Who's?
EMS का large part is India based?
Sales?
नहीं ना, मतलब
Yeah.
PLA में तो India
I
based.
think a large part
India,
of it
India.
is India based.
India.
And therefore should be relatively,
Should be relatively insulated.
If it is India based, guys, please check company to company. I would suppose that at least for quite a few, a lot of the sales are India based. And not too much export to US. Of course, there'll be Apple and those 1 or 2 pockets. But I don't think Samsung in that sense exports from India to US. I don't think so.
नहीं, I don't think so.
I don't
Dixon
think so.
बनाता है Samsung के लिए.
हाँ, so I don't think
So
so.
India
But
में India में
वो
ज़्यादा
India में ही बिकता है.
India में
So
बिकता है.
my sense is it's that, but maybe I'm wrong. So yeah.
Vicky Dharan, will RBI MPC decision make any difference to market sentiment, or only the tariff matters now?
I think so. I think it'll make
Most of
an
the sectors
impact
has
on
been
sentiment.
beaten down. Which are the good sectors to initiate fresh short positions?
Short positions की long positions.
Short positions लिखा है. Fresh short positions. मतलब
Change हो गया पूरा सवाल.
मतलब
What should you buy से what should you sell?
हाँ नहीं, बट अगर आप बोलते हो कि 20 टका नीचे जाएगा यहाँ से तो शॉर्ट पोजीशन बन
I'm saying if you're down 20% from here also, उतना दर्द नहीं होगा because you're a long term investor. But इधर से ऊपर जाएगा तो you will be able to balance it out because you would have played that game. So either way, but entirely up to each individual. But I see scope for downsides because there is too much negativity.
अच्छा, एक है मृणाल का. हेलो सजीत सर, हेलो हाय. आफ्टर कोविड इज दिस द वर्स्ट टाइम एंड ग्लूमी आउटलुक दैट यू हैव अटेंडेड TCS पोस्ट रिजल्ट्स कॉल.
So guys,
छुट्टी का दिन
Now we
है
need to-
10 तारीख उस दिन कौन कॉल आएगा.
दर्द हो रहा है.
दर्द
सजीत सर.
बहुत दर्द हो रहा है. बट आई विल टेल यू हियर, bring Harsh's best friend Rucha tomorrow. Obituary for IT has been written twice before.
who wrote the obituary? Harsh was negative.
Long time back.
Okay, good call then. Okay, now we need to really do rapid fire. Okay, so Sajid, a lot of questions that have come in.
ये एक टेम्परेचर इन दुबई की बात कर रहा है.
अरे अर्जुन सरकार, hats off to you guys. Thank you Arjun, thank you so much. How do TSL look at this price? What is TSL? Sorry,
टाटा स्टील.
Tata Steel.
हाँ,
अरे भाई टाटा स्टील यार, मुझे तो लगता है बहुत
20 रुपए पे
बहुत बुरी तरह से खाली पे पिट गया.
पिट
पिट
गया.
गया.
यूएस में कोई इम्पैक्ट
कोई
नहीं
impact नहीं
है.
है.
यूरोप में इनफैक्ट स्पेंड हो रहा है तो एंड यूरोपियन स्टील प्राइसेस वेंट अप. You know, recently,
yeah.
ArcelorMittal took a 10% hike.
नॉट ओनली दैट यूके का उसका अभी तक बिजनेस अभी शुरू नहीं हुआ है बिकॉज दे आर ट्रांसफरिंग इट फ्रॉम.
अगर ग्लोबल रिसेशन हुआ तो
तो
मेटल प्राइसेस
वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ. और चाइना से डंपिंग चालू हो जाएगा सर. एंड यूरोप व्हेन यू आर
Which is a
competing
problem.
against Europe,
But-
it's a big problem.
बट यूरोप
That's why Tata Steel is down.
तो
It's,
आएगा ही
it's a very
आएगा ना.
different.
यूरोप में डिमांड तो आएगा
Sir,
ही आएगा
demand
ना.
आएगा पर dumping होगा तो there are various places from where dumping will happen.
I'm saying,
इंडिया में
and-
तुम प्रोटेक्ट कर
and
सकते हो.
hence
तुम
my
यूरोप में
point,
कैसे प्रोटेक्ट
if
कर
there is
सकते
a global trade war, then these reactions on the market can be much more exaggerated also. Any case, फटाफट अब 2 मिनट है.
Is it time to start SIP in Nifty IT? Nifty IT बोले ना. हाँ.
I would say, I would
Yes,
reckon yes.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
How now? It's all about the funny thing. Apart from MAGA, how can Trump tariff benefit US government politically? भाई साहब, यार थोड़ा लंबा हो जाएगा ये.
बहुत लंबा.
Sorry. It's all about the fun. But
I don't know, ट्रम्प के रेटिंग्स ऐसे गिर गए वैसे बाद में.
हाँ. Lowest ratings in a while. Barun Shaw is asking, how do you see CDMO companies getting impacted?
Uncertain times for them.
Yeah, supply.
मतलब if Trump says that he's going to bring rates for pharma, then it's going to be a big hit for them.
If not, you're
If not,
good.
you're
As
good.
of now, fine print says no impact. So you're good for now.
Tanuj, should someone
But
with
it's
15 to
uncertain.
20% loss in IT stocks exit and move into other sectors or wait till everybody cools down?
बहुत टुक गया IT यार अभी यहाँ से तो मुझे नहीं लगता और there is another.
You are
I think it's
closer to the
rising.
bottom than the top for
Most
sure.
certainly.
For
Yeah,
sure.
Yeah.
Rajvardhan.
I mean, I'll rephrase. You can never be sure, but I
Looks
mean,
like it.
likely.
Ah.
Sorry, I mean,
Can we identify 50 stocks and start nibbling to reduce the risk?
50. Actually, it might not be a bad idea. 50 स्टॉक कोई अटैक आ गया कोई एक स्टॉक पे भी मतलब आपके पास ट्रेंड है पोर्टफोलियो में 20% है पोर्टफोलियो का तो पोर्टफोलियो की लग गई
Yeah.
1-2% है पोर्टफोलियो का तो चल जाता
but sir, upside also gets capped. No, it's both
course.
ways.
No,
Yeah.
but-
अगर 50 करना है तो फिर तुम ETF ले लो ना यार.
Ah, exactly. Concentrated
फर्क है।
bets का वही
So
तो whole
the
point.
last 2-3 years, a lot of investors, including Devina Mehra and some others, a lot of people have said that we have had very diversified portfolios because the uncertainty is so high that having a concentrated portfolio is a mistake. It worked beautifully pre-220, maybe until 22, 23 also. In the last 2 years, because the uncertainty is so high, you don't know where the arrow hits you. Better to have a diversified
Even
portfolio.
today, Warren Buffett has, with the money he has a very, very concentrated portfolio in that sense.
No, he's
in relative
concentrated
terms.
portfolio because he's got so much of cash right now.
Correct. So concentrated. No, regardless, whatever call he's taking is concentrated. That's what I'm
He's
saying.
concentrating on cash.
Bhai
Apple
sahab,
tha.
never bring Buffett into a conversation. What that guy can do,
Monish Pabrai. Everyone is of that
I
view.
don't know how
yeah.
Monish Pabrai's recent portfolio successes have been.
Turkey, concentrated to Turkey. At least whatever I've been listening of him in terms of podcasts and whatever, concentrated to Turkey.
Is he doing well?
That I haven't checked. But
That's my point.
because Turkey is having its own macro issues. But my point is that he's concentrated. That's my
अच्छा
point.
नीरज सर, do you think US will devalue the dollar?
The US will not go into devalue, but
बाकी लोग
devalue
अपने
हो
कर
रहा
रहे
है. नहीं, but DXY is going down, which is what
Already
everybody is
हो रहा है.
saying. Yeah. So it is happening. It is happening.
Being
yes.
debt free, should I take a loan for investment at this
Oh
time?
नहीं भाई. राज
नहीं,
भैया.
बिल्कुल नहीं. बिल्कुल नहीं
पर
भाई.
किसके लिए लोन?
Investment करने के लिए.
अच्छा,
Stock
no,
investment के लिए.
no, stock investment नहीं.
Sir, I have some cash. Can I start deploying in a staggered fashion?
Yes.
Most certainly. Most
yes,
certainly. you
yes,
should.
you should. Is it going to impact real estate?
Most certainly.
बिल्कुल.
Most certainly. Real estate prices
आपके asset
earmarked to stock market
markets.
performance. I think the next 10 months, 12 months, real estate prices will just.
And आपके pre-sales numbers भी बहुत गंदे आने वाले हैं अगले 3-4 quarter because till the time markets recovers because people are sitting on so much of losses
Yeah.
till that comes they come back. I don't
Embedded
think.
in your answer is the assumption that markets will recover.
Yes. That's true.
Bullish Sajid sir. I like this new
So-
avatar.
No, I'm saying that what I can see now, market was heated at 22, 23, 24,000 जो था, but at 21,000, if you reset the way you look at stocks, then there's enough opportunity for you.
मतलब सर आप कॉफ़ी हार गए फ्राइडे वाली वो आपको मुझे देनी है.
फ्राइडे वाले क्या थे?
आपने बताया कॉफ़ी पे बेट लगाई थी हाँ. Did you lay a bet?
वो तो
ऐसा
MPC
कि
के
मंगा लो
लिए
खुद मंगा लो.
MPC के लिए. तो
MPC के लिए लगाई थी.
एमपीसी के लिए थोड़ी. अरे भाई फ्राइडे को तो बेट हुई ना. ही सेड कि नहीं तो आप कॉफ़ी मंगा लेना. ही वाज बुलिश, आई वाज बेरिश. Did he lay a bet?
Still I'm bullish.
No, that was an MPC.
MPC.
अरे
Yes,
MPC was the last time.
नहीं, इस MPC के लिए भी था.
इस एमपीसी में क्या था बेट?
वही था.
मैंने बोला था कि
रेट कट होगा. मैंने बोला था कि बेट लगा लो आप लोग.
नहीं मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ रेट कट होगा.
हाँ मैंने बोला था कि स्टांस चेंज होगा पर अभी मेरे को लगता है कि स्टांस चेंज के साथ रेट कट भी
अच्छा. चलो कॉफी तो आ रही है.
पर कॉफी फिर
On
भी पिला
that
देंगे.
sweet note.
कॉफी तो फिर भी पिला देंगे तुमको फिर.
On that sweet note, thank you so much viewers for tuning in today. Please do the like, subscribe, everything. And then tomorrow we will get Harsh's friend Rucha in on the conversation.
Instead of me.
No, Harsh versus Rucha.
हर्ष वर्सेस
Instead of me.
No, Harsh versus Rucha.
हर्ष वर्सेस उच्चा.
Thank you guys.
Thank you, guys.
चलो.
Nasdaq gets 80% of its revenue from it is trading at 15 times. Trailing 12.